The district court granted FDA's request Friday to extend the PMTA deadline to 9/9/2020 if remanded by the Fourth Circuit. Also, Ruthless wants to help you pay your bills during this pandemic. Stick around till the end of the video to learn more about the fantastic giveaway on this edition of Ruthless Insider. Hello and welcome to another edition of Ruthless Insider. A letter was filed on March 30th, 2020 requesting an indicative ruling on a federal rule of civil procedure, motioning for a 120-day extension of the pre-market application deadline in the light of the global outbreak of respiratory illness caused by COVID-19. The letter requested this action for a couple of reasons. Most notably, that as a result of the outbreak, some employees from the FDA's Center for Tobacco Products have been deployed to work for the U.S. Public Health Service, including many with one of the divisions of the CTP's Office of Science, which is responsible for reviewing pre-market testing applications. Additionally, virtually the entire FDA staff responsible for reviewing the pre-market applications will be teleworking until further notice. While the FDA has taken steps to enable work to be performed remotely as much as possible, the agency anticipates that it will take additional time for a remote workforce to receive and process applications and conduct scientific review of those applications. In response, the district court granted FDA's request Friday to extend the PMTA deadline to 9/9/20, but only if remanded by the Fourth Circuit. Only time will tell how this will play out, but this could mean good news for some business owners in the vapor industry. Next up, here at Ruthless, we care about your well-being. And as we go through this tough time together, it's important that now more than ever, we come together as a community. We will be selecting 5 winners at random on April 13th to have a bill paid on us. If you want to win, follow the link below to our Facebook post for the full details. If this extension is granted, do you believe that it will make much of a difference in the grand scheme of things? Please share your thoughts with us down below, and as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell button to keep up to date with all of our Ruthless content. This has been Nick with Ruthless Insider, and we will see you in the next video.